Hello again, my turf house friends. Another update on progress. I've had a couple of days doing other things, so it's been a little bit longer between videos, but we have had some progress. So I'll show you around. Okay, as you can see, we've got sides now. No roof yet, but we've got sides. So has been today's job. We'll have a look around inside first. Now the wood I've managed to get, we've got wood supply problems at the moment. So the original wood I built most of it out of, I managed to get ahead of schedule. It took me a month to get it and it dried quite nicely. I stacked it with gaps in between, but this timber I've just bought is still soaking wet. So as it dries on the building, we will get gaps. But I can live with that, and it will add to the sort of finish, overall finish, and the interest when it's done. So you can see it looks a bit dark at the moment. That will lighten up as it dries out. And then here I've put a mezzanine bunk bed in. So that's just a single bed, 2 foot wide. And that really, I mean, I've been up there and I've laid down on it, and I'm a big enough fella, but really it'd be better for kids if I was completely honest. But I've still got another couple of boards to put in, but you can see I've boarded it out, and it just fits above the window, and I've kept the support underneath as thin as possible to give us much height, because obviously we're struggling for a bit of space there because it's not a tall building. And then we'll have a quick look around outside as well, show you right round. So that's the sides there now, all done in. So this fiberglass down below is going to carry on right up and right over the top. So we've got a good waterproof barrier between the wood and the turf. And then you can see I'll show you the detail about where this is going to, those boards butt up against the end boards there. And I'm going to put a little fillet of wood in because the fiberglass won't like that 90-degree angle. It'll much prefer a sort of softer angle there, so I'll put a little fillet of wood. And then I've got to cut the next boards for the roof. I'll have to be fitted because these sides, obviously I've used fence posts, so they're all sorts of wavy shapes, so everything has to be fitted, otherwise there'll be gaps. Anyhow, there you are, up to date with progress. I hope people are still finding this interesting. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and thank you very much for your continued interest.